This is a 2017 Newmar Dutch Star 4381, one of the rarest floor plans Newmar ever produced, built for only 3 model years, and this one was custom ordered from the factory with a long list of premium upgrades. As you walk up, the presence of this coach immediately stands out. Finished in full-body Prism paint with Newmar's masterpiece clearcoat, you get that deep, high-gloss finish that holds up beautifully over time. Step inside, and the difference in this floor plan is obvious. Instead of the standard sofa setup, this coach was ordered new with dual recliners, perfectly positioned across from the overhead television. It creates a more relaxed, residential living space that feels comfortable whether you're traveling or staying put for a while. Moving into the kitchen, you have polished solid surface countertops, an undermount stainless steel sink, a residential Whirlpool refrigerator, convection microwave, and a 3-burner cooktop. As you move toward the rear, the systems in this coach really set it apart. The Oasis hydronic diesel heating system provides quiet, even heat, along with continuous hot water, while 3 Penguin air conditioning units with an energy management system keep the coach comfortable in any climate. One of the most practical advantages of the 4381 floor plan is something you'll appreciate every single time you set up. Full standing height access to your wet bay, power bay, and diesel burner bay. There's no slide overhead, so everything is clean, open, and easy to reach. Now back outside, this coach is just as impressive as it is inside. You have dual Girard power awnings with integrated LED lighting creating a great outdoor living space, along with a Dometic window awning for added shade and protection. A 12-position tire pressure monitoring system gives you real-time feedback while traveling, and Magna shade covers help protect the coach when it's stored. Fueling is simple, with dual-side fills and cross-fill capability. And for those bringing a vehicle along, the rear hitch is paired with a recently updated Blue Ox tow setup. With fresh rear tires just installed, strong front rubber, and a history of consistent annual service, this coach has been maintained exactly the way you would want to see. This Dutch Star 4381 is a rare opportunity. A unique floor plan, thoughtfully optioned, and fully updated for its next owner. View all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome. Click the link in the description below.